In the last video, we discussed 4 concepts which are not facilitation. So now we know what is facilitation not. In this video, we are going to discuss what facilitation is. You see, facilitation, the word facilitation means making things easier. So therefore, as a facilitator, we facilitate, meaning we make it easier for others to do their best work, typically in a group. And if we have to bring the best of others, we have to deal with a lot of obstacles that might be coming in a way to be our best, to do our best work in a group environment. Let us quickly have a look at what could be those obstacles and why those obstacles are there in the first place. You see, human beings are subject to flaws because we live in our own mental bubble. You can also call it a mental model that we carry around ourselves that is shaped by our past experience, our education, our mindset, and whether we are an optimist or not. So the values that we carry define the bubble that we live in. And these bubbles are not necessarily similar for all of us. So there will be differences, and when we interact in a group environment, our mental models collide, and those are the opportunities for potential conflict, which can derail us or the group or the session from the objective of our coming together in the first place. Then how do we deal with such challenges? As a facilitator, our job is to address these conflicts head on without getting too much involved into the content. We can be in the same Zoom room or in the same physical room, but we can be in different spaces or different places, psychologically speaking. So our job as a facilitator is to make that difference vanish among participants. And we do that by a variety of techniques, frameworks, and interventions. And those are the exact things that we are going to discuss in this course. But to summarize, as a facilitator, our job is to help meet the other person where he or she is. If we can do that, then and then only we can put the food where the mouth is. And therefore, we will be nourished, meaning we will be able to achieve the reason why we have gathered in the first place.